Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today is January 11, 2019. So a lot of viewers were asking me if you leave the CO2 in this gun, are they gonna leak? So we're going to leave it for 7 to 10 days and then we're gonna come back and shoot. Hopefully they still have a CO2 gas in there. Alright, so we'll be back. Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So we are finally back to continue with this CO2 BB gun. This is the air gun, not the real one. So we're going to do some test shots without the BBs in it. Last time I did a video on the test shots already. So this time around we're going to see if there's any of the air leak or anything like that on the CO2 tank. So those two are the spring loader kind, so we're not really going to test this one now. So those two are the spring loader kind. So this one is the oldest one of all. Daisy power line model 1700 CO2 BBs. So with this one, let's go ahead and test this out. CO2 tank is still in there. We did the test shot on January 11th, and today is the January 24th. So I'm going to take out the safety by pressing this button. And do a test shot right now. So I'm going to press this. Wow, dang. So it's still very strong. Before I thought this one leaks, but I guess not. Maybe I didn't tighten this screw tight enough. So be sure to make a tight fit. Wow, look at that. So that one still hold the CO2 in there very well. Let's go ahead and test out this one. This is the Powerline Daisy 426. And it shoots a .177 caliber, 4.5 millimeter BBs. So let's go ahead and take out the safety, pressing this down. And you could, both of these are semi-automatic. So you could just keep on pulling the trigger then. Wow, look at that. So yeah, this one still holds CO2 in there. So this one's coming out from this. You could convert from pistol to carbine. And last time we did the test shot on this one. This is probably the most accurate of all this BB guns from power line. So this one is not power line. This one is Humarex. So this is not the safety button right here. This is the to remove the cartridge. And to remove the safety, you gotta press this downward and then slide back. Okay. So yeah, all of them still hold the airs in there pretty tight. Because the reason I do this because I have viewers questioning me about this. Would it still hold the CO2 after you do the test shots? So this proved that all three of the CO2 tank, it's holding its charge. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.